All right, guys, if you have a electric fireplace in your RV and you're unfortunate enough to plug it into 220 instead of 110, this is what I had to do to fix mine. You obviously take everything open here, take the side panels off. This power service unit was the problem. I'll show you what I replaced. This little capacitor right here is a 1,000 microfarad 25 volt capacitor. It completely exploded. So you'll replace that, and I'll put these parts down in the comments. These actually run to a transformer that was sitting right there. The transformer was from 110 to a smaller DC voltage. I put 110 to 12 volts on mine, and it's working fine. This little yellow polypropylene safety capacitor, you can read the numbers off the side of that, take your solder gun, swap it out, and then under this little black rubber thing is a little small glass axial fuse, and that little fuse was blown. And I'm not an electrician. I can't say how safe or unsafe this is. I can only say that after doing these things over the course of a couple of months and troubleshooting, this is working again. So this one capacitor, I changed out the transformer and put in a different one that I had to actually mount down below. I'll show you in a second. I changed this little yellow polypropylene safety capacitor. The numbers are on the side. You can look it up via those numbers. And then this little small, under that black rubber, is a little glass axial fuse. Because the transformer that came off of there was this guy, I determined it to be bad because I took it out and used a 9-volt battery to power the DC side, and it worked. So here's the new transformer that came in. I mounted it underneath here and then just ran some jumper wires back up here to my board and soldered them in the appropriate places. All that being said, so far this is clicking on and off with temperature. All the lights are back on, the heater's working, and it seems good. I'm going to do some more testing to make sure it's safe to use again, but I hope this helps you guys, and good luck. If it did help, please give the video a like and subscribe to our channel. More RV how-to stuff in the future.